All right, so today I have the exhaust taken off of my KTM 300 XC, and I've hit a couple rocks doing some climbing, and I want to pop these dents out rather than buy a new exhaust. So I bought this kit to pressurize the system and fix those dents. This is a kit made for 125 to 300s. It's like a pressurized valve system, and it reads how many psi. Right now I'm holding air around 40 psi. They recommend do not go over 55. So you just tighten up your little block here until that rubber flange starts to bend over like that. And there's actually a plug inside of this one. You can't really tell, but I got it smashed pretty good. It's like a plug that goes in there. You got to find the right one that fits your pipe. And it comes with all these little adapters. So what you do is you pressurize it like you did, like you see I did there. And then I got myself a little torch. And so I'll try popping these dents up. So what you want to do is get it to where it starts to glow red. Might pop here. Might not, I don't know. First time using this. You want to babysit that pressure gauge. Look at it once in a while to make sure that it's not going over the side. It's still in there. So I might have to put some more air in it. I don't know. I've never done this before, so I'm not sure if I have enough to do it or not. So just make sure you got it in a vise or some way to hold it so it doesn't roll around on you. And they do warn you that those end caps can fly off, so make sure that it's nowhere near you when you start to heat your dent up. Dents trying to come out. As you can see, it's starting to change color. There we go. It's starting to get bright red. Don't get it so hot that you'll melt a hole in your own pipe. I remember this isn't going to be perfect, but it's going to help you to have to not buy a new pipe. I just don't think I have enough pressure in that to really pop that out, so I might have to do it up just a little bit. Put some air. Some more air pressurized ones. I'm gonna set this down a sec. Off. Remove this valve. And again, we got to watch that pressure gauge. It did climb quite a bit, actually. We're almost at about 50 right now. Get too much past that. What you do, you just relieve some pressure off your cap, your valve, excuse me. It's time to release some pressure off of there. As you can see, I'm kind of getting up there. So just take a screwdriver, release some pressure. And get back down there. Stubborn dent. I just did this one not too long ago. Nice burning red we're talking about. The pressure again. Trying to be safe as I can here. Within reason of. There it comes. So as you can see, it's a significant difference. It's not perfect, but it's definitely working that dent out. Pressure again. We're climbing up there. It's right around 58 or so. So we're gonna let some more air out of here. Back that gauge back down. So as you can see, the dent is quite a bit smaller. It's still there, but it's not as deep as what it was. And I'm sure my compression will be a little bit better. Maybe even noticeably better. But when you're done, I got another one here to work on. So shy of keeping this video too long, I'm gonna work on this one next. When you're done, take some WD-40 and spray it right on there with a Scotch-Brite and just work it out. It's going to be hot, so obviously, you know, use some gloves and remember your personal eye protection and your ear protection, because sometimes apparently these will pop real loud like a shotgun, so you just want to be prepared for that. All right.